Good evening, friends. In previous videos, we have learned about list, images, videos, and audio tags, by using which we have added many multimedia tags in our web page, like videos, images, and links, and another audio like things. Now we will learn about iframe. What is iframe? Iframe is generally like a window in our web page. That means it creates frame in our web page that denotes the or shows the web page of another website. So for that we have to make any iframe. So I have already written some code which is pre-built code written by Replit. So here we will start with h1 tag. But if we want to start from scratch, so we have to select all and cut it all, and we will write here doc type. After that we will write here HTML, head, title, and we will give title as iframe. And here we will write body, and inside body we will start to write code for iframe. But first of all we will give heading as h1, and our h1 heading will be iframe. So for adding iframe in our web page, we have to write a code. That means we have to write iframe. It is a tag for iframe. After that we will write src, that means source of iframe. And inside the source we will give the location or path of the web page or website that we want to add in our web page. And after that we can write here width and height attribute. These attributes, width and height, is used for giving breadth and height of the iframe. And after that we will close it. So close the iframe tag /iframe. Okay. Now we will give width as 200 normal and 200 height as well. And after that we will give source of the iframe. For that we have to use another web page or their HTML file. So I have already made some HTML files. We will learn about those HTML files in upcoming videos. So you can see here, our first is index.html, which is this one, and our second 2.html. This is the another HTML file of myself. You can see it weird code because there is style tag, which is stand for CSS, and here is also script, that means JavaScript code. So in this 2.html you can see all things are used like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you don't confuse. We will learn these all things in upcoming videos. So don't worry about this. Only remember it is another code for myself program. After that you can see here 3.html. It is also a CSS, JavaScript and HTML program for calculation of arithmetic operation. So this all we will learn in upcoming videos. For now, only remember it. This is basically the HTML file for another web page. So we will simply go to our index.html And here we will write our source of the file. So our first file is second.html. So we will write here and source 2.html. And if we run it, so if we run it, so you can see here, this is our iframe, in which we have added another web page that is 2.html file of myself. So if we want to run it, like if I have entered name as Riposh, pages 46 and mail, click on myself and you can see here. This is our another web page that means 2.html file. But if we want to increase the height or decrease the width, that can be managed by iframe attributes of width and height. So we will give here width attribute equal to 200. Similarly, height attribute also we can give 200, and you can give any another height or width. So this is basically width and height of the iframe that renders 2.html file. That means my sample page. So if we run it again, so you can see here it is the file. Similarly, we can add another iframe in it. For that, we have to go to our index.html file, and again here we will write another iframe. So iframe source src equal to, so we have another file 3.html. So we will write here 3.html width equal to 200, height as well 200. And close the iframe. So now again run it. There is any mistake, so what is the mistake? We have to find out. Run it again. So you can see here there is one mistake, missing doc type name. Okay, for that we have to go again here. We have to go to 3.html, and here we will write here html. Now we should run it again. Now it should be work. Okay, now you can see here there is two iframes. One is myself and another is calculation. This is basically two files, HTML files. So if we run it, we will write here Ritesh pages 24, mail and myself. So you can see here, and for calculation if we write here pi and calculate it, and you can see here addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Similarly, you can add more iframes